Kid, I am so glad you're here because it's all hands on deck. Stat!
Oh, she's doing that thing again where she's acting like she's a doctor.
Get me premium book tape, acid-free glue, and a book binding repair kit. Stat! Aye, Dr. Storyteller!
And you! Me?
Don't just stand there in an emergency.
I'm not medically trained.
Get me a juice box. Stat!
For the book?
No, I happen to be thirsty.
Stat! Okay, doctor!
Kid, there's been a lot of reading going on. That is great. Unfortunately, we've had some mishaps along the way.
Ooh, mishaps, you say? Filled with frowny faces and probably a lot of screaming and, ooh, is that a torn cover?
You, to the waiting room!
You know, you're pretty convincing for a YouTube doctor.
Not officially licensed.
This is no time for idle chit-chat.
Your juice box, doctor!
Thanks, Pink Bear. I'm gonna need my strength.
Okay.
Who knows what horrors await inside Book Hospital? In a classroom full of cheer, the kids played games without a care. But the books upon the shelf were worn and torn beyond repair.
Yes, this one has a concussion, and this one is fainting, and this one is crying. So far, so good.
Back to the waiting room, Witch Efficient. Only we professionals are allowed inside Book Hospital. They were read, then tossed aside, left with covers bent and bruised. And when the kids forgot their worth, the books were feeling quite abused.
Ugh! We should run away. I'm too weak to run, and besides, I don't have legs.
They were dropped and drawn upon with pages crumpled and tales half told. The books all sighed. We've had enough! Their once bright stories were growing old. The humanity! I could barely look. One day, the books could take no more. To the book hospital, they flew. Their bindings were so sore. The bookmark nurses knew just what to do. You've come to the right place, books. My cover's ripped, a book declared. My spine is cracked. I've lost my way. The nurses nodded with a smile. We'll fix you up. You'll be okay. And looks like they got to the hospital just in time. They stitched, they taped, they glued with care. Each book was tended page by page. A cozy nook for them to heal, a little rest to turn back their age. And let's see here, orange is getting a stitched cover, and green is getting a reinforced spine, and violet is getting glued.
What's the prognosis, doctor? Can they ever be read again?
Thankfully, Jill, they can.
Oh, I was so worried.
But they will be more delicate and need to be handled with care. Will those rough readers reform their ways? Back in class, the kids felt sad. Their books were gone. Their room felt bare. They knew they'd been too rough and the books needed to be repaired.
Why does everyone look miserable? I mean, not that I'm complaining.
Because they have a guilty conscience.
I don't have one of those.
Back to the waiting room, you! Witch doctors not allowed around here. So they all gathered, young and small, to show the books they really cared. They sent some flowers, vibrant and bright, and shared kind stories, thoughtfully prepared. Oh, I like that. Dear books, one child wrote with love, we're sorry for how we treated you. We promise now to be better and keep your pages like new. Another child drew a sweet card with drawings neat and colors bright. We've missed you, books. Please come back. We've been thinking of you every night. Sometimes, kid, what happens is that if something or even someone is in your life every single day, there's a danger that you might take it for granted.
Yeah. Oh, what does that mean?
It means you might get careless and stop appreciating how special it is to have that thing in your life.
So, are you saying that losing the books made them realize how much they loved and needed the books?
Yup.
But the question is, will the books accept this goodwill gesture and come back? The books at the hospital smiled wide, their spirits lifted by each note. The flowers made their pages bloom and brought them hope with every quote. Look at those smiles. They are feeling the love. And isn't that really what we all want? To be appreciated and loved?
I just want bad stew and to be feared.
Waiting room!
Fine.
We need better security around here. The nurses grinned and gave a nod. You're almost well, just a little more rest. Your kids have learned to value you, and now they know to do their best. And the future is looking bright. Back to class, the books return. With shiny covers, good as new, the kids were waiting, full of joy, ready to keep their promises true. Welcome home, books! We've missed you so much! So, if you have a book you cherish, be gentle, show that you love it, or else it might just take a trip to Book Hospital and you'll miss it.
So, did I miss the part where you actually doctored?
I am exhausted.
Great job, Doctor.
It's all in the day's work. For Dr. Storyteller.